Ace it in 3, 2, 1. Hey there, I'm Lauren from Ace, and today we're talking cleaning and organizing your home. And I'm here with our Ace home expert, Lou Manfredini.
I like your papers. Very nice.
Thank you. Yeah, we try to change it up a little bit. So we're going to start with 3 questions. First question. Tips on organizing your home, from your garage to your closets?
Yeah, I mean, springtime, right, is a great time to get organized and kind of take a look at your life and how you can maybe thin it out. I think we all have a lot of clutter in our homes. For me, it's always been about, have you not touched it, looked at it, or thought about it for the past 6 months? I mean, think about your closet, right? I mean, most of us, if we think about closets, start there. There's a lot of clothes in there that you don't wear. It might be some t-shirt from college. Where'd you go to college?
How do you know
Where'd you go to college?
Western Illinois.
Western Illinois. You probably got an old Western Illinois t-shirt. You're like, I remember I wore that at a party, and you never wear it.
True.
So it's a great idea to go ahead and organize all of that. And one thing I will tell you is that when you go through your closet and you start really looking at the things you don't wear, you'll have a giant pile of stuff that you can donate. And it's a great time to maybe think about a closet organization system. There's a lot of stuff that's available, easy to install. And the other thing that I would highly recommend is upgrading the hangers. And just get rid of all the wire hangers and invest in better hangers. That will help you get organized. In the garage, one of the best ways to organize a garage is to get everything out of it. It's a big job, but maybe you've got some help and you've got some time, and go ahead and pull everything out. Wash the floors, dust the corners away, get everything as clean as possible. If it's a garage that you have drywall on, you maybe paint it. You know, that's not a bad idea to brighten things up or patch some holes that are there. Think about maybe a workbench or some garage cabinets that you could use inside there. And then inside the home, when is the last time you took everything out of your sink base? There's like all kinds of stuff down there that you don't use.
Yeah, I'm getting grossed out.
Right, well, no, and pull all that out, and now there's trays you can put down at the base of the sink. You may notice when you take all that stuff out of there, you may have a little leak that you didn't know about, and it's a good idea to kind of take a look at all that. Get all of that out. The same is true. Once you start in one cabinet, you're probably going to go through all of the cabinets in the kitchen, get a shop vac, clean all those cabinets out, wipe them all down, and then, you know, the things that you don't use, donate.
Excellent tips. All right, question 2. How do we get a jump start on spring cleaning?
Well, I think that it's important to prioritize. So whatever is your biggest pain point when it comes to organizing is like, oh my gosh, this garage is a complete disaster, or my laundry room is a huge mess. Pick those projects and set a time frame to get them done. So in other words, I'm going to do this on Tuesday, or I'm going to do this on Saturday, and I'm going to work to get it all done. And I will tell you that when you look at a project like that, put down on a piece of paper what it is you really want. I wish I had more shelves, or I wish I had another cabinet, because then you can get all that stuff and be ready. So it isn't like, oh, I did this project, I got hung up because now I have to order a cabinet, it's going to take a week. Get all that stuff in advance, get the job outlined, you know, just like I'm a former home builder, right? Create a blueprint, follow the blueprint, and then get it done.
Love it. All right, so last question. A lot of disinfecting going on right now. What are the do's and don'ts?
I think for many of us, it starts with really getting everything cleaned. And so you want to, you know, do the sweeping or the vacuuming first. You can find a lot of different products that will do the disinfecting and the cleaning. Remember that soap and water and a good scrub brush and even a sponge can go a long way. You can use simple cleaning products, and you follow the instructions on the bottles to mix with water, and that will be a great way to disinfect. And you know, the thing is, we're constantly touching things, and so it's a good idea to get in the habit of wiping things down on a regular basis to just make sure everything is as clean and as healthy as possible.
Excellent. Well, there you have it. Thanks, Lou. Ace it in 3. Be sure to follow us on acehardware.com, and we'll have more tips and tricks from Ace, the helpful place.
Wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1. We're out.